Hi everyone, today I am presenting this home in Ogden, 2029 Fillmore Avenue. We are literally a block and a half from the trailhead on 22nd Street. This is not a through street, and so you only see the cars from the people that live here. So if you're concerned about safety for your kids, this is an excellent location. Also, the backyard here is just amazing. This home has 5 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 2 full kitchens. So if you're looking to have your in-laws, a friend, or rent the basement, this is a great opportunity to do that. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.